Yes, everyone. Very good morning. Audio clear അല്ലേ? Yes. Audio clear ആണെന്ന്. Good morning, Arun Prakash. Yes, Arun Prakash daily follower ആണ് Arun Prakash. Dhanalakshmi, Richu 2K, Sriram I'm saying waiting. Sriram, we are back. Yes, we are here and we have started. Yes, we are back. Nifty at 0.1%. Again, Nifty flat, just staying flat. And our positions today, these are our positions today. If you can see on the screen, we had shorted 25,150 put and 24,950 put. We are expecting any time Nifty to break possibly 550 to 600 ranges. Means it can happen. That is why I was again being just slightly bullish on the market, not very bearish, because the Trump tariff came up and the tariff deadline was extended to 1st of August, and India will be levied, let's say, imposed 10%, which is favorable to us. So all those things coming up and market not reacting negatively to it in any sense. It is not negative. Market is not reacting negative. Market hasn't moved up either. It is not positive also. So yeah, I was confident on the put side, so I just shorted puts, and these are our positions today. By the way, what's Nifty doing? The first candle, the 15-minute candle. Okay, the first candle, both the candles negative, and this is a trend line we have drawn from, let's say, 30th or 27th. I think it's 30th. Yeah, 27th of June. 27th of June to till date, this is the trend line. This was a support. I mean, this was a resistance for these many days. Now could act as a support. Yesterday also, yes, it was broken, but the closing was somewhere here, and the next candle bottom was also somewhere here, very close. So this line could act as support, definitely. And even if it is broken, probably at around 420 levels, you have a strong support, which is staying intact for these many days now. Okay, this range could be a support, could be another support. So I don't want to be bearish right now. That is my idea. I don't want to be bearish on the market, especially when you have two supports, one angular support and one support range, which is around 400 to 420. I don't know. I am not going for a put entry now, PE, no, because this trend line, as you can see, നിങ്ങൾ തന്നെ ഒരു ട്രെൻഡ് ലൈൻ വരച്ചു നോക്ക്. നമ്മുടെ ജൂലൈ 27 മുതൽ ഫോളോ ചെയ്യുന്ന ഒരു റെസിസ്റ്റൻസ് ട്രെൻഡ് ലൈൻ ആണ്. അത് ഈസ് ബ്രോക്കൺ നൗ, ബ്രോക്കൺ ടു ദി അപ്സൈഡ്. സോ when it is coming back, it could act as a support. So that is the thing. Pradeep says good morning. Yes, I think our most profitable trader of the past few days, Pradeep ഇന്നെന്തുണ്ട്? ആദ്യത്തെ 10 മിനിറ്റിനുള്ളിൽ എത്ര ഉണ്ടാക്കി? Pradeep should have made some profits, I guess. Okay, anyway, let us also check out the .915trade.com is one. 915. We'll go 915. Yeah. Let's check out the volumes as well as the volumes, the OI, everything. We'll have better clarity of where the market is going to move possibly. Yeah, favoring the sellers currently. 25,500, huge selling at 25,500. Okay, that's what we are saying. We are seeing now. There is very huge selling at 25,500. So, and again there is Okay, support at 25,402. Yeah, now I will show this here. So you can see here 25,500. If you can see on the screen, the selling pressure at 25,500 is considerable, is at 4.5 million, and that at 25,400 the buying is 1.9 million. But again, sellers heavily outplaying the buyers is what we can see in the initial stages. We'll do one thing, we'll keep our PE ready. If the trend line is broken to the downside, we can see, we'll see. Okay, and I also have my put position here. Hopefully that is not affected. Nifty is at 450 and my position is at 150, so another 300 points and 1.2 percentage possibly. I don't think I'll be affected. We'll wait and see. We'll have the today is the expiry, so I don't want to play on in today's expiry. I'll just go for the 25,400 to 350 17 July put option. I'll just keep it ready. And I just want this trend line to be broken to have some sort of negativity to continue, and then immediately on the bottom you have the 415 levels too. So if you want to scalp, yes, if you want to scalp possibly uh, below the 450 levels, if the candle can close, it is still 1 minute and 30 seconds away from the close. We'll just wait. Pradeep says 14 points as always. I don't think natural gas. No, we don't. We have not traded in commodities yet. We are not trading in commodities. We are only doing F&O. Currently F&O. We are expanding to crypto as well as commodities. Forex will be later. Crypto and commodities are coming up. Yeah. Let me see how my portfolio is doing. My portfolio is also flat, just obeying Nifty. Equity, all equity. Yeah. Portfolio is just dead flat, dead flat. And what has changed the most today? IREDA 1.4%. Yep, that's it. No significant movement elsewhere. Yeah, just like Nifty, most of the stocks are flat, but Tata Motors is down by 1%. It hurts when Tata Motors falls. Yeah. Okay, this is Infi. I'll have to rename it as Infi here. And this I'll have to delete. Yeah. Infi is down by 0.6% today. Yeah. So everyone, those so if you are watching the stream, please consider liking the stream. Please give it a like and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done it yet. Okay, we have gone to 809 subscribers now. We have passed 800. I think it was on last Friday or something that we crossed 700. So we are gradually, steadily, but gradually getting some reach. Thank you, thank you. Please consider liking the stream, everyone. Please. And what else? Yes, that the 440 levels is broken. Immediately you have this one. So you can consider the bottom of this candle as a stop loss, possibly 110, and possibly aim another 30 points. I mean, another 15 points in Nifty. Nifty could go up to 135. I mean, the 25 400 P could go up to 135. For scalpers, if you want to scalp, this is an opportunity for you. If you want to, this could possibly be an opportunity. 15 points is Pradeep. Yeah. Nifty has broken the 450 angular support and is moving down again, because we could see in 915 that sellers are hugely dominant at 500, and that sellers are again increasing their positions in 25 600, yes, 700 definitely. So all those positions, they are gaining more and more ground, and we have to expect that market should be going down. Not enough positivity, so I'll also try to update my positions from put to some nearby call, some nearby OTM call. Basically, if you know, I am basically an option seller. Yeah, this has given me some profits, some mediocre profits as of now. Fine trade strategy builder. Yeah, I have 700 and 900 for around 0.29 percentage. Do you want? Yeah, I can go for 10 lots there. Yeah, let me quickly exit both my positions here, and let me enter 10 lots of this one, 700 and 900 call, trade all. So I've changed my positions today. I set for, yeah, 3 into that is what I get. Yeah, 2250. Whatever. So I have just updated my position, looking at the fact that Nifty is bearish. Nifty has more call sellers than put sellers today. And because of the same reason, I have updated my position from put selling to call selling. So I have sold calls on 20 at 25,700 call and 25,900 call. So 25,700 call is 250 points away for me. That is 1% away, and I don't think a rally is coming as of now. So I've sold 25,700 call at 435 and bought 900 call at 135, which is a bear call spread. And that is my position today, as you can see on the screen. Yeah. Yes, everyone, please like the stream if you're watching it. Okay. Please consider liking the stream. We have updated our positions, by the way, from 25,150 put short to 25,700 call short. Okay, so these are our positions. Samad used to ask, right? Bro, positions kanikam. What are your positions? Samad കാണുന്നില്ലല്ലോ. Where is Samad? Waiting for Samad. So if we get a good catch today in for buying, option buying, that would be good. Nifty is again falling. Nifty is at the day's low, exactly at the day's low at 425, 434, 433. Nifty looking all the more bearish. And with the data from, yes, the OI data too, looking at the smoothed call sell, okay. Yeah, the call sell as well as the put sell, the averages, moving averages. Call sellers increasing their positions is what we can see. And that for the futures volumes are slightly confusing because futures, again, buyers are more in futures. So in the long term, Nifty is not possibly going to fall. Long term in the sense, possibly in the next, not very long term, 2 weeks, 1 or 2 weeks, Nifty does not seem very bearish. Of course, Nifty is not very bearish anyway, in any sense. But it is just that just this range bound movement which could cause some issue. And remember, this is an expiry, this is a weekly expiry, so things might not go the way you expect it to be. So if you only look for technicals and you want to be so aggressive, you might get trapped. So make sure you trade sensibly with the proper stop loss, and yeah, that's it. Follow your stop loss, follow your intuitions properly. Again, if Nifty goes above the 600 levels, if Nifty can surpass the 600 levels, then I am expecting 26,000, as we have always said before also. Even if we check at the 15-minute candles, above 600 is where I'm targeting. Above 600, I could expect 26,000 and more. Above 600. And I should be having some funds left with me. Yes. So we are currently at a profit of around 4.3. Nifty താഴെ പോകുമോ? Straight away answer ഒന്നും ഇല്ല ആരുണ്ട്. But looking at the OI data, the futures data, the OI data and the overall volume, Nifty is not bullish, definitely. Nifty could be bearish today. താഴെ പോകാൻ ചോദിച്ചാൽ മുകളിൽ പോകുന്നതിനെക്കാട്ടിലും സാധ്യത താഴെ പോകാനാണെന്ന് ഞാൻ വിശ്വസിക്കുന്നു. Okay. So looking at the sellers volume, and 400 again proves to be the one. And below 400, I don't know until it could go even 300 possible. Below 400, anything could be possible. But again, see, not because of OI alone. There is a considerable resistance range, see here. Okay. So in this range, you have had resistances multiple times. Okay. Multiple times before. So this is support. This is a support zone at 25,400 levels. This is a support zone. This was respected multiple times. Even if I extend it here, see, ഇവിടെ ഒന്ന് somewhere here on ഒരു W pattern form ചെയ്യാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് എടുത്ത ഒരു support or the resistance there. So 25,400 is definitely going to be a support. No second thoughts, no doubts. If broken, we could possibly see 25,300 too. Expecting bullish rally. About 25,600 only. Again, we haven't used all of our funds. We still have, I can still average another 4 lots. 4 lots of water, 4, actually, in fact, 5 lots of anything of the call spread I have taken up. I haven't used entire quantity, so I can manage much more. So I've updated my position from 25,150 put sell to 25,700 call sell. That is the latest update. And is Nifty playing here in this tight range? The answer is yes. Nifty is staying there, and we'll have to see a movement on either side. Above 500, I can go to 550 and maybe 600, who knows. Above 500 and below 400 will be the best range to trade. Yeah, Abel P says, hi, good morning, Abel. How is your infy? And yes, anybody willing to take the pro subscription for pro subscription in 915trade.com. Coupon code. Went down, now came back almost. Okay. Oh, yeah, fine. So yes, Abel, that you have joined in, please consider liking the stream. And what else? Let Nifty give a clear indication of where it is going. Until then, let us avoid any risky trades. In fact, I am feeling really sleepy. I'm feeling not really, but I am feeling sleepy because I was traveling yesterday night. Uh, I didn't have a proper sleep also. I slept for I think hardly 5 hours. Hardly 5 hours. So, and who else? How is your portfolio doing, by the way, guys? My portfolio again just remaining flat, 0.05 up, nothing doing much. IREDA showing signs of positivity. Let me check IREDA. And IREDA in the day chart. Needs some considerable movement. We haven't got it yet. IREDA went all the way up to 185 levels. Still with PE spread, put spread at 25,250. Okay, 25,250 is 200 points away, but I think it is not the farthest point, but I think you could be safe today, is what I believe. There is enough selling. One thing to be noted is that there is enough selling at 25,500. 25,400, there is some buying. So buyers obviously, as they outweigh the sellers in items. So 25,400 currently and 430 now, engulfing candle, and Nifty is going to break the day's low. Yes, Nifty is going to break the day's low. The low made here was 110.6. So because a resistance support is here at around 25,400 to 420 levels, I'm not entering anything now. Let me also check how is VIX doing today. VIX, what is India VIX at? VIX should be up today, is what I believe. VIX is again 0.67 down. If you look at the chart of India VIX over the past some days, it is actually horrible, right? See, not at all what you want as an option seller. The premiums are just decaying just like that. VIX has come to almost the lowest point in past 1 year, somewhere near the lowest points. Very low. VIX is very low. VIX has gone up from 10 to June, expecting results, I think, election results. So if we can get some sort of a rally like this here, then possibly, I don't know, all the premiums can still shoot up. Okay, Nifty has fallen down considerably to the 416 levels. Now the 416. Nifty is testing the crucial support zone of 420s. The 420s to the 400s, and as of the latest data, the put sellers are selling off their positions. The put sellers are exiting their position. The call sellers are improving. Still, it is the put sellers who dominate. Yes, more in number, but it could change any time. Technically, we saw that Nifty is bearish, and that is exactly the reason why we went to 25,700 call short. We shorted 25,700 call and 25,900 call. The portfolio should also be affected. Yes, now it is 0.12% down, 0.1. So not a big deal. hitting the 410 levels, and we're just waiting to see if Nifty can take a break at 25,400 and could possibly fall down again. In that case, I can confidently go for a put buy. I can go long on this put option, but I'm just waiting. Let me also update my status right now. Yes, Nifty seems to be taking a support there at 410 levels. We will see. Sriram says, good morning, Good morning, Sriram. Pradeep says, second trade done 33 points. I expected you to take a trade, Pradeep. Yes, I expected you to do this. Good. Okay. Am I safe? uh, as long as 25,400 is respected, yes. Below 25,400, uh, let's say if it is broken to the downside, let's say after 1 o'clock and all, possibly there will be ups and downs, and I think 250 could be safe. But before that itself it is broken, there is enough time for the market to move also. I don't know, you'll have to be cautious below 400. But as we are seeing now, it seems to be taking a support, and which is expected. Say at 25,400 some sort of support is expected, but how long will it hold is the question. Looking at the Y data to the Nifty trend line, I mean the volume trend line, the alpha arc is at 16 million heavy selling. Yeah, sound കുറവാണോ? Even I don't know. I didn't want to use my mic, which is not performing really well. We have already ordered a mic, right? We have ordered one Holy Land Lark M2S. Slightly costly on mic, but still, anyway, we are into it. We'll preferably use the best possible one. So this mic audio issue will be resolved in another 2 days time. Today is Thursday, so next week. Yes, next week. Yes, now. And our position hasn't changed much despite Nifty falling, and that is just normal. BSE is again down by 1%. You can check the chart of BSE and you can see since the Jane Street scam reveal, BSE has taken a considerable hit. This is what has happened to BSE over the last 1 week. See, it was trading at somewhere around 2,800, now at 2,500 and looking bearish. Today as well, yeah. Nifty താഴേക്ക് ഇറങ്ങി തുടങ്ങി. Yes, താഴേക്ക് ഇറങ്ങുകയാണ്. The only thing is 400. See, ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞില്ല, I am generally a conservative trader generally. So I do option buying, option selling most of the times. And I will possibly get up to 6K in option selling. And anything which comes above that is extra profits for me. I can definitely come up to 6K. Which is on an expiry, which is an okay profit. Of course, it is not a very huge amount or very good profit and all, but it is an okay one. Yes, Nifty coming down again, and this is possibly where we could take an entry if Nifty can break the day's low. The low is 410, then I think 400 is also taken out in that case. In that case, we can come. I am planning an entry then only because I don't want to take an extra risk. 7.6 million sellers, 400 again. The buyers trying to equalize sellers, almost cancelling out each other. Let's do one thing. Let us keep one tab exclusively for Nifty charts and let us draw the Fibonacci's there. Fibonacci can help us understand this better. So if I take only the top to bottom here, only this one, only I want only Fibonacci here. I don't want anything else. So this is today's fall, just exclusively today's fall, and we'll see. Just hang on for a minute, just one minute. Yeah, I think by now the audio is clear now. I think it is audible. Right, 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 right. So we have got the Fibonacci tool out, and this is what Nifty is doing. So Nifty could probably hit if if Nifty takes a break, it could be up to the 460 levels, 450 to 460 levels. It could still come down, or if it is breaking the day's low, then I am betting on 350 levels. Okay, sound a little low. Jacob sir, good morning. Yeah, I'll try to speak louder. Yeah. So Nifty could be breaking the day's low again, and it could be a downtrending day throughout. Even that is possible. So yes, now at 416, what is our P at? 25 400 P is at 130. Yes, Jacob sir saying good morning, good morning. Yeah, good morning, sir. So I am indecisive in this range. It is only below this range that I am going to trade. Our favorite tool Fibonacci is also out. And possibly in the upcoming Prime Day sale, Amazon Prime Day sale and the Flipkart sale, whatever, is it the gold sale? We might probably buy a new iPhone for basically for functioning as well as better video quality efficiency. So we might go for an iPhone 15. That is the latest update. In the meanwhile, Nifty is coming to the day's low at 414.13. Looking at everything, this seems to be bearish again. So I can possibly consider my entry here. Okay, the subscribers have gone to 812, 3 to 4 people in the past 20 minutes. How about approaching 1K subscribers by next week? We'll set a subscriber target and we'll see if we can achieve that. Below 410 is where we could make an entry. that will be testing 400 and it should be going down. Again at 400, the sellers are now improving. Huge selling at 25,500 and 25,450. 500 and 450, there is huge selling. And anyway, I am just going only for small quantity. Let us say 25,400 put. 25,400 put option of 17 July. Okay, 17 July 25,400 put option. I can plan at entering just 3 lots, nothing, not too much, just 3 lots at 134. Now it is at 137, I know, so I'll just place it at 134. Let us see if I can get it, because I just want to be conservative. I don't want to be over aggressive. And there is enough premium spike, the premium movement. There is no considerable huge premium decay. The premiums are just behaving fine. Oh, it has gone up to the 144 ranges. Okay, now that is 144 to 45. It could be breaking the 25,400 levels too now. Yes, it is breaking, coming down to the 25,400 levels. I'm not changing my position yet. I'm just waiting for any sort of retracement, because 25,400, as we can see here again, there is enough fight between buyers and sellers. I don't want to change my position. I believe there could be a small break in which I could get this hit at 134. So that is what I believe. And any small pullback could result in my order being hit, and if it breaks down again, everything looks bearish. If it breaks down again, then we will see. We can make profit, and my stop loss could be the bottom of the previous candle, which could be at 122. 122, I can keep it as a stop loss, which could be like 2,500. Still on expiry day, I'll be in profits. So 137 now, 35, 34.5 came down to 134.5. Didn't hit. Coming down to our 134s, 34.5, or now it is hit. 134 is hit. I have just placed 3 lots, no huge quantity, because again expiry day, there could be movements. I don't want to take any huge risk. I will wait to see if 25,400 is broken to the downside. This was once broken, so we had entered here, we have entered here. So these are our positions today. Now Nifty is going down further. So we have entered 25,400 put. Let me just record it too. Yes. So these are our positions today. We have entered 25,400 put now that Nifty is crossing the 25,400 levels. So we have entered at 134. Now it is at 140 to 141 ranges, 139 to 140 range. We have entered only 3 lots. We are not going over aggressive with it. And our stop loss will remain at 122, 10%, 122 to 121. As you can see here, our entry is at 134, and the profits are, or our positions really are shown on the screen. I'm take risky reverse trade just too low. Okay, expecting 400 to be support. Okay, but make sure you have your stop loss, Pradeep. Yeah. See, people have their own views. Looking at the volumes, now see now the futures volume, now the option volume, 25,400, sellers are more. I believe Nifty is going to go down. It might take a break, come up to the 430 levels too. Even the 430 is also possible. So maybe you can do a small scalp if that is your uh, intuition. But we are expecting Nifty to continue its bearishness. So it is at 138 now, 37 to 38 levels. Where could our first target be? Okay, let's not set any particular exact targets now. Let's Nifty roll out. If 400 is broken, then I think we can get another easy 15%. If 400 is broken. Yes, as expected, taking small break. We will see if this is a considerable break or is this the bottom. Is it 8.3 million? Yes, 8.3 million at 25,500, 3.9 million at 25,450, and more or less the same at 25,400. So 25,400, it is Jagda Jagda. They are fighting out each other. 25,500 and 450, huge selling. That is what we can see from the data. And 350, yes, there is 1.5 million buyers. 300, there is 1.8 million buyers. But all those could change if Nifty decides to break 400. And because we have taken up this position, we expect Nifty to break 400. At 133 now, we are at coast to coast. Again, a matter of only 3 lots, so I'm not much concerned about the P&Ls here. Only if I get a huge rally, let's say up to 180, 170 to 180, then I'll be in like some profits, some good enough profits, that's it. What is the low of this candle? The low is 131.5. Okay. Now we don't want this line. This is now invalidated. Only the support zone remains for Nifty. So this is the one. Again, we are just trading flat. No profits, no loss, just trading flat. It had gone up to the 141.85, 141 to 142 ranges. Again, it is the sellers who seem to be active now. The candle is at 25,417, still 1 minute and 30 seconds away from the close. The previous hammer has, the previous candle has formed sort of a bullish hammer, but in the midst of a downtrend. So we will wait to see if this is the bottom or if it could be broken again. And let us say above 440, above 435 to 440, I will not want to hold this. So I may be suffering some 2000 rupee loss, which is very much affordable to me in that case. Or if the candles low and if this channel, this range which I have marked here is broken again, then I am expecting everything to be broken. If that is broken, I think the channel breaking, then the previous candles low could be taken out, everything could be taken out, and Nifty can, I think, easily go to 350 ranges. I think with some momentum we can expect some candle like this, possibly high from 450 to a low of 416, some 40 points, 50 points, 40 to 50 points rally in one candle can be expected. Life of Food is asking Nifty താഴേക്കാണോ? Data വെച്ചിട്ട് yes, but 25,400 support ആണ്, support zone ആണ്. We will wait, we will see എങ്ങനെയാണ് പോകുന്നത്. I'll keep my SL at 121 to 120 ranges. The bottom of this candle, which is 121 ranges, and we'll see. ചമ്പക്കുളം തച്ചനും പിടിപ്പിച്ച പൊന്നാങ്ങിലി തോണിയോ. ഇന്നലെ ചമ്പക്കുളം മൂലം വള്ളംകളി കാണാൻ പോയിരുന്നു. വള്ളംകളി വാസ് ഫൺ യെസ്റ്റർഡേ. വള്ളംകളിയായിരുന്നു ഇന്നലത്തെ വിശേഷം. I was traveling, ചങ്ങനാശ്ശേരിയിലും ഒക്കെ ആയിട്ടായിരുന്നു ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു. റഹീമ തസ്നീം സെയിങ് ഗുഡ് മോർണിംഗ് ഡോക്ടർ എബി. ഓ, ഇന്ന് ആദ്യമായിട്ട് ഡോക്ടർ എന്ന് വിളിച്ചത് റഹീമാണ്. ഗുഡ് മോർണിംഗ്, ഗുഡ് മോർണിംഗ്, വെരി ഗുഡ് മോർണിംഗ്. So yes, these are our positions today. നമ്മള് 134 ഒരു put buy entry എടുത്തിട്ടുണ്ട്, and it is trading at 129 now, 129 to 130 range, 4 points down. We'll see. Coming down, good. Varatai. One good thing about today is the premiums are okay. Premiums are supportive. It is not like previous days when we just had to wait and wait and wait to make a loss. So premiums today are supportive. There is no big issues there. Okay, അത് പറഞ്ഞപ്പോഴത്തേക്കും പോയി. Anyway, that is because Nifty is retracing as that red candle. But there was a time when 25,400 the sellers were higher. Yes, sellers were higher here at, what is the time then? Is it 10:15? 10:15 to, yeah, somewhere there. The sellers were higher and the buyers were lower. Yeah, sellers were higher than the buyers. Yeah. ബ്രോ ആ സ്റ്റോപ്പ് ലോസ് ഒന്നുകൂടെ പറഞ്ഞു തരാമോ? നമുക്ക് നമ്മുടെ ട്രേഡിൽ ഇപ്പൊ സ്റ്റോപ്പ് ലോസ് വെക്കുന്ന ലൈവായിട്ട് കാണിക്കാലോ. അരുൺ പ്രകാശ് റൈറ്റ്? യെസ്, ദാ. ഓക്കെ അരുൺ. സോ ഓക്കെ അല്ല, എനിവേ എനിക്ക് എന്റെ സ്റ്റോപ്പ് ലോസ് വെക്കണം. ഓക്കെ, സോ ദിസ് ഈസ് മൈ ട്രേഡ് ഹിയർ. സോ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് കാണാലോ, അരുണിന് കാണാലോ ട്രേഡ്. അപ്പൊ ട്രേഡിൽ ഇവിടെ അതിന്റെ ഓപ്ഷൻസ് എടുക്കുന്നു, മീൻസ് അതിന്റെ മൾട്ടിപ്പിൾ ഓപ്ഷൻ എടുക്കുന്നു. സോ ഐ വിൽ ഗീവ് എക്സിറ്റ് ആൻഡ് സോ ഐ വിൽ കം ടു ദിസ് സെൽ വിൻഡോ. റൈറ്റ്, സെൽ ചെയ്യാനുള്ള വിൻഡോയിലേക്ക് വന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്. ആൻഡ് ഞാനിവിടെ റൈറ്റ് സൈഡിൽ SL എന്ന് സെലക്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നു. SL സെലക്ട് ചെയ്താൽ ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് കോൾഡ് സ്റ്റോപ്പ് ലോസ് ആൻഡ് ദിസ് ഈസ് കോൾഡ് ദ സ്റ്റോപ്പ് ലോസ് മാർക്കറ്റ്. ഓക്കെ, സോ ഫസ്റ്റ് സ്റ്റോപ്പ് ലോസ് പറഞ്ഞുതരാം. Stop loss means there is a trigger price and there is a price, selling price. Okay, so trigger price എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് it is at that price where any order gets triggered. Okay, so ഞാൻ ഒരു trigger price വെക്കുന്നു, let's say 121. അപ്പൊ എന്ത് ചെയ്യും? 121 എത്തുമ്പോൾ ഒരു ഓർഡർ ട്രിഗേർഡ് ആവും, ഒരു ഓർഡർ ആക്റ്റീവ് ആവും. And what is that order? That order is sell at this price 120.5 എന്ന പ്രൈസിൽ സെല്ല് ചെയ്യൂ എന്ന ഓർഡർ ട്രിഗേർഡ് ആവുന്നത്, ആക്റ്റീവ് ആവുന്നത് 121 ഓക്കെ, സോ ഇവിടെ ട്രിഗർ പ്രൈസ് നമുക്ക് തീരുമാനിക്കാം ആൻഡ് അറ്റ് വാട്ട് പ്രൈസ് ടു സെൽ അതും നമുക്ക് തീരുമാനിക്കാം. സോ ഇതിന്റെ കുറച്ചുകൂടെ സിംപ്ലിഫൈഡ് വേർഷൻ ആണ് സ്റ്റോപ്പ് ലോസ് മാർക്കറ്റ് ഓർഡർ. ട്രിഗർ പ്രൈസ് മാത്രം ഞാൻ കൊടുത്താൽ മതി. ഇഫ് ദ ട്രിഗർ പ്രൈസ് ഈസ് ഹിറ്റ്, ദ ഇമ്മീഡിയറ്റ് നെക്സ്റ്റ് മൈക്രോ സെക്കൻഡ് 10⁻⁶ സെക്കൻഡ്, മൈക്രോ സെക്കൻഡിൽ വാട്ട് എവർ ഈസ് ദ പ്രൈസ് അതിൽ സെൽ ആവും. സോ ഇതാണ് സ്റ്റോപ്പ് ലോസ് മാർക്കറ്റ്. സോ ഐ വിൽ ജസ്റ്റ് ഗീവ് സെൽ ഹിയർ. So it says stop loss market orders are blocked for F&O as they have been discontinued by the exchange. Okay, stop loss market order പറ്റില്ല എന്നാണ് പറയുന്നത്. വേണ്ട, നമുക്ക് സ്റ്റോപ്പ് ലോസ് ട്രിഗർ ഇത് കൊടുക്കാം, ലിമിറ്റ് ഓർഡർ കൊടുക്കാം. സോ 121 കൊടുക്കുന്നു, പ്രൈസ് എത്രയാണ്? അതിന് താഴെയല്ലേ വേണ്ടത്, താഴോട്ട് എത്തുമ്പോൾ ഒരിടത്ത് എത്തുമ്പോൾ ട്രിഗേർഡ് ആവുന്നു, അതിനും താഴെ എത്തുമ്പോഴല്ലേ എക്സിക്യൂട്ട് ആവേണ്ടത്. അപ്പോൾ 120.5 കൊടുക്കുന്നു, സെൽ. സോ പ്ലേസ്ഡ്, ഓർഡർ പ്ലേസ്ഡ് ആണ്. ഓക്കെ, സോ എനിവേ അത് എനിക്ക് കൊടുക്കേണ്ട സ്റ്റോപ്പ് ലോസ് ഓർഡർ തന്നെയാണത്. So no issues. And അവിടെ ഞാനൊരു നഷ്ടം ഉണ്ടാക്കിയാൽ പോലും still in expiry day I'll be in profits. Expiry day it is very hard to take me to losses generally. പക്ഷെ again market ആണ്, market can do anything. Yes, സൗണ്ട് ഇച്ചിരി കുറവ് പോലെ ഉണ്ടല്ലോ, സൗണ്ട് കുറവാണോ? ജേക്കബ് സാറും ഇത് സെയിം പറയണ്ടായിരുന്നു. ഐ ഡോണ്ട് നോ, വെയിറ്റ്. ഞാൻ എന്റെ മൈക്ക് ഡിസ്കണക്ട് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. മൈ മൈക്ക് ഈസ് നോട്ട് ദ ബെസ്റ്റ് ഓഫ് വൺസ്. ഐ തിങ്ക് ദിസ് ഈസ് ബെറ്റർ നൗ. കുറച്ചെങ്കിലും ബെറ്റർ ആയിട്ടുണ്ടോ? സമത് സേസ് ഗുഡ് മോർണിംഗ് ബോസ്. ഗുഡ് മോർണിംഗ് സമത്. സമത് ഫ്രം വയനാട്. ഞാൻ സമതിന്റെ അടുത്ത് പോകുന്നുണ്ട്, ഒരു ട്രിപ്പിന് പോകുന്നുണ്ട് സമതിന്റെ അടുത്ത്. യെസ്, ഇതാണ് നമ്മുടെ പൊസിഷൻസ്. ദീസ് ആർ അവർ പൊസിഷൻസ് ടുഡേ. 125, 126, yeah. So we are at a profit of what? Some 2000 rupee. Not much, but not very least either. Yes. I wanted to do another thing. നമ്മൾ പൊസിഷൻസ് എടുത്തിട്ടുണ്ട് ആൻഡ് വി ആർ ട്രേഡിംഗ്. വി ആർ കറന്റ്ലി അറ്റ് എ സ്മോൾ ലോസ്, 1600 rupee ലോസ് ഓഫ് 1200, yeah, whatever, 25,400 P. Okay, so that is our position today. That is the latest position. നമ്മൾ already we had done a bull put spread ഇന്നലെ ചെയ്തിരുന്നു ആൻഡ് bear call spread എന്ന് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. bear call spread. So anyway, we are at profits and we will be in profits come the end of the day. Profits or flat. Okay, somewhere there. And Nifty seems to be reversing back once again. Is that the case? Or is it a small break? Not much, not much. Anything can happen still. I just want this 410 to be broken to the downside to see some sort of negative momentum continuing. 410 to be broken. 410. Another 12, 13 points to see. And I think that is the way Nifty is coming, is what I believe. Generally, things look bearish only. Huh. Coming to the 410s, it seems. The premium is supporting. We'll see. Builder. Yes, I am just updating some of my position from my brother's account. I am a portfolio manager of my team as well, of my family also. SEBI new rule എന്തെങ്കിലും പുതിയത് വന്നോ? No, I am not updated with any sort of new rules regarding what, Saman? Regarding എന്താണ്? Nifty support 25,393. Yeah, 400 levels, Samrudha. Yes, 25,400 levels support ആണ്. But looking at the oil data and today's trend, I expect this one to be broken. But above 440, I don't want to hold. Above 440 levels. Okay, I'll be exiting. And that will be the time when my SL will be hit, I guess. Yeah, I'm just placing everything at market. Okay. $25,700 call short. Get this forwards. What is our 915 trade telling us? Connect fight, but generally overall sentiment is slightly bearish. As you can see, the amount of call sellers at 450, 500, 550, 600. All the call sellers are dominating, so the general trend is not bullish anyway, so I can confidently short my call options. Okay, I can confidently short my call options. And what is happening with my Understand? Yeah. Now we are just coming into the flat region. We have just come flat. No profits, no loss. Okay. Yeah, that is the case. 600. My brother has 25 100 put short. I was trying to update that, but not enough funds. Uh, 25 100 put, so he should be safe from most of the falls. Unless there's a huge crash, he's safe. Yeah, I can even consider the high of this candle to be the stop loss if I want to, because if I believe that the sellers are losing momentum, I can even consider changing my SL. With a small stop loss, I can exit. That is also another possibility. Above 430 levels, let's say. Now it is at 420. I'm expecting 410 and below for the negativity to sustain. Anyway, I have my SL at 121. So nothing will happen to me below that. But I may update my stop loss if things do not look great. Okay, F and O ചെയ്യണമെങ്കിൽ ആ സ്റ്റോക്ക് ക്യാഷ് ആയി ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ cash stock which means you have to hold the stock to trade in that option. Basically hedging മാത്രമേ പറ്റുള്ളൂ എന്നുള്ളത്. Primarily options are built as hedging instruments. അങ്ങനെയാണ് ശരിക്കും ബിൽഡ് ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്നത് for that purpose, but we use it as trading instruments. Hedging in the sense നമ്മൾ ഒരു സ്റ്റോക്ക് ബൈ ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ even if the stock price goes down, അത് ബാലൻസ് ചെയ്യാൻ വേണ്ടി we can buy the put options and average it. So that is called hedging. So maybe stock options, in case of stock options we can only do hedging. Is that the case? I didn't hear any rule as of now. I'll definitely check up on that. Okay, I'll definitely check on that. New SEBI rule right now ഇപ്പൊ തന്നെ നോക്കാമല്ലോ. എന്തിനാണ് വെച്ച് താമസിക്കുന്നത്? ഒന്നും വെച്ച് താമസിപ്പിക്കരുത്. എല്ലാം അപ്പൊ തന്നെ നോക്കാം. So new SEBI rule on F and O. Okay. What is your display? Yes, Nifty coming down and down. I am waiting. Eligibility criteria for SEBI is tightening the rules, it seems. Pre-open session for F&O for both single stocks and indices mirroring the cash markets pre-open. Okay. No margin benefits on expiry day. Yeah, margin benefits anyway. We don't have any margin benefits as of now. Also, expiry day, we require increased margins. That is one thing. Yes, there are some rules coming up, but I can't see this rule which you talked about, Samad. Samad പറഞ്ഞ ആ rule ഞാൻ ഇതിൽ കണ്ടില്ല. Let me go through it again. 4th June. Nifty looking bearish, but where is the option? Where is the premium? Where is the premium? Just jump up. Premium. It will come. Okay, this seems to be an engulfing candle. I will not want to hold it later, hold it for long. And I'm just happy that the premiums haven't decayed too easily. So premiums are stuck in a range. I'm just happy there. Because when speculation go faster than can shake the very foundation of price discovery. Okay. How this going on? You should probably know what's changing. Yes. First, SEBI is changing how risk is measured. If you hold 1,000 lots of Bank Nifty calls and someone holds the futures, you are both seen as having the same exposure. Okay, but that's not really true. Options behave differently based on how close they are to the strike price. Yeah, how volatile the market and how much time left to expect. Let's count delta. Okay, behaves like, yeah. Is it falling down? Let it fall down. Let it fall down. Let Nifty go to 350s is what I hope, to make some profits at least. Open interest. Now we are seeing some increase in the premium, which we didn't see in the last candle. Now it is, yes, premiums are showing some respect to the candles. Good. Okay. By the at the same time, I'm just reading out the new SEBI rules circulars. Okay, fixing the price of. Okay, market-wide position limit. Close now. reduce one exposure while adding another. Okay. Currently at 136 to 137. Again, just trading flat, not doing much. Only above 140, we can say there is okay, sir. Chalo, there is some profit which is coming up. Until then, it is, yeah, yes, should be breaking, and breaking. Yeah. Now is the time to break 400 is what I believe. Chalo, go down, go to 400, below 400, 380s and the 370s. Okay. Okay, 400p long and 250p. Okay, both in profits. Oh, Abel just playing with the markets. Okay, now it is at 146. Nifty is breaking down. I am ready to book my first load, just one third of the quantity at, I'll book it at, let's say 150 to 152. If Nifty can come down to the 380s and the 390s, 390 to 380s, it should now be coming down. Everything looks bearish. And the data at 25,400 is not exactly supportive, but technically and other factors, it should be high is 146.95. We are at around 2,700 profits now. Let us book one lot at 150. So, okay, positions, I'll just exit 75 quantity at 150. Let's say it hits. If it hits, chalo, jingalala, good. If it doesn't hit, anyway, I am modifying my stop loss. I am modifying my SL from 121 to, let us say, 1. Now it is 143. Anything above that, for above 420 will be 126, let's say. 126 and 125.5. So 126 will be my SL now. So I will not make a loss of more than, yeah, I will not make a loss of more than, let's say, what, 1,200 or 1,300. That is the maximum loss I can make. And why is the premium behaving like this? Chalo, go up, shoot up. 144 is what I require. I mean, 380 is what I require to hit 150. At 144 now. I'm just booking only one. Is that hit? Did it hit just like that? Yeah. So the first quantity is hit, as you can see here. The one load is completed here, and our positions is, yeah, some 3k profits there, and 150 quantity we are still holding. So I will go to my orders and change this, because we only have two loads left. I mean, yeah, two loads left. So I'll just change the modify two loads there. So, and I will just move it to my modify. I'll just move it to my 131 or what? Yeah, 132. So, which will mean I will not make any losses. Whatever happens, my trade will be in profits today. So, extra profits today. I made extra profits comfortably. Yeah, 151. So, this is our catch today. This is our trade. We had bought 25,400 put, looking at all the data, looking at all the details, and it is currently trading at profits. You can see here. So I just want Nifty 50. Where is Nifty 50? Trading at profits today. We entered at 134. You can see on the screen here 134 was our entry. Currently trading at 145. Expecting Nifty to stay bearish and go to the 350s and even the 300. So the rest of the quantity I'll just keep trailing my stop loss. Okay, this has hit a high of 154. 154 was the high, and our positions, let's not talk too much about the positions, because this can tempt us to exit also. We just want the numbers here and what Nifty is doing. This has hit the low of 382, and that is when our 152 was hit, right? So that was hit. It jumped from 144, 145 to 150 just like that. How did you determine your SL? Based on points or any swing low? Yeah, both. Okay, based on points. Based on, let us say, I don't want to hold Nifty if it goes above 25 410. So that is my one fixed point at 410 now. 410 to 415. Above that range, I don't want to hold. And what will be the position? What will be the price then? It will be at somewhere around 130. Right. So above 130, below 130. So I just set it at 130. And moreover, my entry is at 134. So even if it goes to 130, 32, I'll still, whatever, I have already booked some profits at 150. So I will not go to profits whatever happens. I'll not go to losses. I'm sorry. Whatever happens, I will not go to losses. Now I also have a probability to ride this one, probably to, let's say, 150, 170, 180, who knows. And I think it is possible. Yes. Now at 149. And I will keep trading my stop loss. My next target will be to keep the stop loss at above my entry, which is 136 to 137. I will just update it. If it goes to 155 and above, I'll just keep it at 140, close to 140 levels. Now at 146. Yes. Yes, now the power shortage issue. चलो क्या कर रहे हैं यार निफ्टी। चलो हम थोड़ा हिंदी में बात करते। नो आई एम नॉट वेरी गुड एट हिंदी। വെറുതെ വെറുതെ പറഞ്ഞാണ്। मुझे तो उतना हिंदी नहीं आता है। എന്താ കോൾ സെൽ ചെയ്യാൻ? കോൾ സെല് ചെയ്യാഞ്ഞോ? എന്താ സമത് പറയുന്നത്? കോൾ സെല് ചെയ്തിട്ടല്ലേ നമ്മൾ ഇവിടെ ഇരിക്കുന്നത്. കോൾ സെല് ചെയ്തത് സി 25,700 ആണ്. ബട്ട് സി കോൾ സെല് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ യു പോസിബിളി ഐ ജനറലി ഡു ഇറ്റ് അറ്റ് എ ഹയർ ക്വാണ്ടിറ്റി ആൻഡ് call sellers, even though it is a spread at on an expiry day, with the spread that I am selling, I'm doing, I might make some considerable losses. So I'll be conservative there. ഞാൻ 25,700 സെല് ചെയ്തിട്ടാണ് ഇവിടെ ഇരിക്കുന്നത്. Yeah, 25,300 ടാർഗറ്റ്. ഓ അരുൺ ദേവ് 25,300 ആണോ ടാർഗറ്റ്? നോക്കാം, വന്നോട്ടെ. 300 വന്നോട്ടെ. 25,300 ആണ് വരുന്നതെങ്കിൽ yes, could be 200. This could hit 200 possible. Yeah. At 149 now, still we are in profits. നമ്മുടെ പൊസിഷൻസ് എന്താ കാണിക്കാത്തത് ഇവിടെ? പൊസിഷൻസ് ഉണ്ടല്ലോ അല്ലെ? Yeah, we have our positions here. Yes. ഞാൻ കണ്ടില്ല. That's it. 3,600. Yeah. हम सिखा देंगे. आजा मेरे बेटा. Okay. तो चलो we'll try this. Okay. हम थोड़ा ट्राई करते हैं, हिंदी में बात करते हैं. क्या वक्त है हमारा? हम क्या एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं कि निफ्टी चलेगा 25,300 तक. 25,300. आई थिंक 25,300 इज 25,300. सही है ना? मैं तो सही कर मैं तो सही बोल रहे हैं ना समझ? अच्छा तो चलो हम हिंदी में बात करते हैं, हिंदी में भी कमेंट करते हैं, सब हिंदी में चलेंगे थोड़ी देर बाद. लाइक थोड़ी देर को चलो 11:15 तक, अगला 15 मिनट को हम सिर्फ हिंदी में बात करते हैं. हिंदी में कमेंट बात इधर सब करते हैं हिंदी में. चलो ये चला गया. सपोर्ट भी, डे स्लो भी ब्रेक कर रहा है अभी. या ब्रेक कर दिया. अभी चल रहे 160 तक पॉसिबली. चलो हम एक बात करते हैं, पे स्टॉप लॉस मॉडिफाई करते हैं. स्टॉप लॉस मॉडिफाई करेंगे. वन कितने अभी अभी कितना है वो? 153. चलो 138. जस्ट सम रैंडम नंबर 138 एंड 137.5 मॉडिफाई करता है. तो जो बाकी क्वांटिटी है ना हमारा, वो भी वॉट एवर हैपन्स वो भी प्रॉफिट में ही एक्सिट करेंगे. सो वॉट एवर हैपन्स അതിന്റെ ഹിന്ദി ഒന്നും എൻ്റെ അടുത്തില്ല സാറേ. जो कुछ भी होता है, हाँ, तो कुछ भी होता है वो भी हम प्रॉफिट में भी एक्सिट करेंगे. चलो एक बार तो डे का लो ब्रेक किया था, अभी चलना है 350 तक। 30,050, 25 is 25, right? 50 is 50, I guess. അതല്ലേ ശരിയല്ലേ? സമത എവിടെ ഇവിടെ ഹിന്ദി പറഞ്ഞ് പുഴുങ്ങിക്കൊണ്ടിരിക്കുക. അപ്പൊ എല്ലാ എൻകറേജ്മെന്റ് തന്നിട്ട് മോട്ടർ ആക്കിയിട്ട് സ്ഥലം വിട്ടോ നമ്മള്. क्या है हमारा प्रॉफिट्स अभी? 4,000। अभी तो 4,000 पहुंच गया है। 4,500, 600। निफ्टी चल रहे हैं, नीचे नीचे चल रहा है, और चलना है, और पिक्चर अभी भी बाकी है बस। राइट। और हमारा आज का पोजीशन अभी पहुंच गया है 9,000। अभी तो 9,000 में है। एक्सपायरी डेज अभी बार मस्त है यार। या हाँ जी बोलिए। मैं थोड़ा बिजी हुआ, मेरा ड्यूटी का बीच में आके आपका लाइफ देख रहा हूँ। ओह, क्या बात है, इतना कमिटेड है तू। धन्यवाद धन्यवाद समझ, समझ साहब, समझ जी। ഇതിനെല്ലാം മറുപടി പറയാൻ ഞാനൊരു ബംഗാളിയെ വിളിച്ചിട്ട് ഇവിടെ ഞാൻ തന്നെ കഷ്ടപ്പെട്ട് ഇനി ബംഗാളി വന്നിട്ട് പറഞ്ഞിട്ട് വേണം ഞാൻ അവനോട് മറുപടി പറയാൻ വേറൊരുത്തനെ വിളിച്ചോണ്ട് വരാൻ. ओ नो, हम हिंदी में ही बात करना था। 11-15 तक, व्हाट डू यू से फॉर 11-15? 11-15 तक हिंदी में ही बात करना था। मैं तो थोड़ा वायलेट किया हमारा रूल, मैं ही वायलेट किया। माफ कीजिए, माफ कीजिए। एंड चलो प्रदीप, और मोस्ट प्रॉफिटेबल ट्रेडर एंटर किया क्या पुट ऑप्शन में? भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय। लगता है कि तेरा 25-250 पुट भी लॉस में चल रहा है अभी। हाँ, अरे यहाँ पे हम क्यों ये ऑप्शन का चार्ट लिया है? यहाँ पे तो निफ्टी का चार्ट आना है। हाँ, अभी तो निफ्टी आया है, लेकिन क्वेश्चन ये है कि क्यों निफ्टी अभी नीचे चल रहा है? व्हाट इज द रीजन, व्हाट कुड बी द रीजन निफ्टी इज ब्रेकिंग डाउन? क्योंकि तारीफ का डिसीजन आ गया है, वो अगस्त 1 तक एक्सटेंड किया है तारीफ डेडलाइन, और उसके बाद भी इंडिया को 10% का तारीफ ही होगा। एंड दिस इज नॉट दी okay, and this is not the most intense tariff we could face. फिर भी मार्केट नीचे चल रहा है, एंड और क्या होगा उसका रीजन सोच के मुझे भी पता नहीं क्या हो रहा है, लेकिन जो हो रहा है हो रहा है, और हम भी प्रॉफिट में हैं, और जो कुछ भी होगा आज हम प्रॉफिट में ही एग्जिट करेंगे। ब्रेकर तो वनपर 1 भाई, क्या प्रदीप भाई देखना था आप। हम तो इसी इसी अपॉर्चुनिटी के लिए इंतजार कर रहे थे, लाइक at 25, 400, 420, 410, वो नीचे का ब्रेक के लिए इंतजार कर रहे हैं। और मुझे अभी भी फील है कि ये रैली अभी तक कंप्लीट नहीं है, और भी बाकी है, क्योंकि निफ्टी अभी कहाँ पे 25,380, विच इज ए नो मैंस लैंड, और भी नीचे जाना है, एटलीस्ट अनदर 30 पॉइंट्स नीचे जाना है, ये है मेरा फीड। और अभी तो 915 ट्रेड क्या बोल रहा है? या one sided momentum. This could be huge rally. This could be 25 300. This could be 25 to 300. 300 तो आसानी से पॉसिबल है। उतना आसानी से नहीं हो तो भी फिर भी पॉसिबल है। 25 300 और 60 पॉइंट्स का, 60 60 और 80, आई डोंट नो और 80 पॉइंट्स का रैली, 70 to 80 पॉइंट्स का रैली अभी भी बाकी है। ये है मेरा वक्त, मेरा मेरा फीलिंग। भी चल रहा है वापस। चलो वापस चलो, कोई नहीं। एसएल भी हिट कर दो, फिर भी प्रॉफिट में ही होगा। वेल से अच्छा है ना रियल, पता है, अच्छा है भी पता है। और 4 मिनट बाकी है, उसके बाद मुझे भी थोड़ा हिंदी मलयालम में ही बात करना है सबको। मैं भी वेट कर रहा हूँ। खाना नहीं नहीं, चोर चोर। Normally, chore chore. Harish Ashokan doing that. Memorables, memorables. मैं तो चपाती नहीं, चोर चोर। खाना नहीं नहीं, ചപ്പാത്തി नहीं, ചോർ ചോർ। ഞാൻ ചപ്പാത്തി കഴിക്കാറില്ല, അതുകൊണ്ട് എനിക്ക് ഹിന്ദി അറിയാനും പാടില്ല। गुड कमेंट अर्षा। कितना मुश्किल है यार हिंदी बोलने। लाइक बहुत साल हो गया ऐसा हिंदी बात करते करते, बहुत साल हो गया। मैं तो उतना फ्लुएंट भी नहीं है। हिंदी तो पढ़ा है, पढ़ाया है, हिंदी तो पढ़ा है, स्कूल में पढ़ा और पढ़ लिया। वट और आई डोंट नो, आई एम जस्ट वेरी वीक इन हिंदी। उसके बाद हमको इसका जरूरी भी नहीं पड़ा है अभी तक, हिंदी में बात करना है। जहाँ भी लाइक स्टडीज के लिए गया वहां सब सब पूरा मलयाली से। तो हिंदी का जरूरी नहीं है, इंग्लिश का जरूरी, अंग्रेजी का जरूरी नहीं है, तमिल का भी जरूरी नहीं था। क्योंकि ऐसा हुआ कि वो तमिलियंस भी शुरू किया, मलयालम बोलने शुरू किया। तो उतने सारा मलयालीज था जहां पे हम गए था। दैट वाज द सिचुएशन। वो अनदर 2 मिनट्स। 11:15 को, 11:15 का, 11:10 का एक कैंडल भी सपोर्ट ही नहीं नहीं है हमारा, हमको। कहो ना प्यार है समझ। अगर आप ये सी सेल किया तो ये डीके का इश्यू नहीं होता था ना। अगर हमने ऑप्शन सेल किया तो हमको डीके तो हमारा फेवर में ही है, तो हमको डीके ही चाहिए। डीके होगा तो हमको अच्छा है ना। तो अ, अगर हमने किसी भी ऑप्शन सेल किया तो हमको डीके ही चाहिए। जो कुछ भी होगा, कुछ भी हुआ हो रहा है मार्केट में, और 5 सेकंड बाकी है। इसके बाद एक ही बात हिंदी में नहीं बोलेगा, ഒരു വാക്ക് പോലും ഇനി ഞാൻ പറയില്ല ഹിന്ദിയിൽ। आई थिंक निफ्टी ऊपर जा सकता है, सेलिंग ऑलवेज फास्ट ना, बट ये तो स्लो है। ओके, निफ्टी ऊपर जा सकता है। എന്ത് പരിപാടിയാണ് ഹർഷാദ്, പുട്ട് ഓപ്ഷൻ എടുത്തിട്ട് ബൈ ചെയ്ത് വെക്കുമ്പോ ഊപ്പർ ജാ സക്താ എന്നൊക്കെ പറയുന്നത് മോശം മോശം മോശം. താഴോട്ട് പോട്ടെ നിഫ്റ്റി. നമ്മുടെ സ്റ്റോപ്പ് ലോസിന് അടുത്ത് വന്ന് നിൽക്കുകയാണ്, സ്റ്റോപ്പ് ലോസ് ഹിറ്റ് ആവുമോ നോക്കിയിരിക്കുക. ഇതൊരു ബെയറിഷ് എൻഗൾഫിംഗ് ക്യാൻഡിൽ ആവട്ടെ. ഓ 11:15, ഒരു 15 മിനിറ്റ് ഹിന്ദി പറഞ്ഞപ്പോഴത്തേക്കും 2 ഉപ്പ് സോഡ കുടിക്കേണ്ട അവസ്ഥയായി. ഐ ഹാവ് എ ജിപേ നോട്ടിഫിക്കേഷൻ. മിക്കവാറും വല്ല സ്ക്രാച്ച് കാർഡിന്റെ ആയിരിക്കും. ബെറ്റർ ലക്ക് നെക്സ്റ്റ് ടൈം എന്ന് പറയാനല്ലേ. ആഡ് യുവർ ക്രെഡിറ്റ് കാർഡ്സ് അത് പറയാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ടാണ്. कितना प्रॉफिट? 2600. 2700. ഞാൻ എന്തിനു വെറുതെ ഹിന്ദി പറയുന്നത്, ആവാത്ത ഹിന്ദി, ആവാത്ത പണിക്കുന്നുണ്ട്. ഓക്കെ, 10,000 അടുത്ത് വന്ന പ്രോഫിറ്റ് ഇപ്പോൾ 8,000 അടുത്തായി. Close to the stop loss than we are to the target. എനിവേ, നമ്മുടെ ഫസ്റ്റ് ടാർഗറ്റ് നമ്മൾ ഹിറ്റ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. വി ഹാവ് അച്ചീവ്ഡ് ദ ഫസ്റ്റ് ടാർഗറ്റ്. 150 ആയിരുന്നു, അത് ഹിറ്റായി. Yes, I forgot to tell this. We are launching stock market beginners guide course. Okay, so stock market beginners guide for every basic concept regarding the stock market, how the market functions, how we are taking, how we are buying, how we are selling, all those basics. Nifty, Sensex, SIPs, IPOs, mutual funds, personal finance is also included this time, and every single thing is coming to you as a course. And how can you register? You can DM me, or there is a Google form which I will post it here. Okay, so stock market beginners guide course for everyone. I have got a hello from someone. I don't know who is that from, but I will come to it. Stakeholders. Yes, so this is the Google form. Register for stock market beginners guide course. Right, so I have pasted a Google form link and I've pinned that message here. Yes, I have pinned that message in the chat box. So that is the registration link for stock market beginners guide offered by Finance with AB. So every single basic concept regarding the market, how it's functioning and everything in a detailed manner on a weekend. The course is scheduled from 19 to 20 July. Course from 19 to 21 July. So it's a weekend and in pre and post office hours. So, okay, so pre and post office hours. That is the schedule. The classes will happen on Saturday and Sunday mainly. So Saturday morning 7 to 8 and night 9 to 10. Sunday morning 7 to 8, night 9 to 10. So 4 sessions plus one additional session live tutorial in Zerodha and Grow platforms. So every single basic detail, everything will be covered. So this is a wonderful, wonderful opportunity for everyone who is coming into the market as a fresher. You have to learn these concepts definitely. And let me genuinely not insist on joining this course alone. Wherever you are, whichever course you want to study, do that, but do learn all these concepts. These Such a course will be available elsewhere also, but definitely at a higher price. I can guarantee you that. So you can consider this. Just go to the Google phone. You can consider joining this one. It will be worth 3x the money you spent, and that is our guarantee. You can go out elsewhere, check the websites of beginners guide course, whatever the pricing is it is at, and we are offering it only at 1099. That's it. Okay, for every single basic concept regarding the stock market. So this is the Google form to register for it. You can definitely consider it, take a look at it. In the meantime, we are at a profit of 3,700. Yes. Exit my 25 250 put spread. Okay. Okay, good that you exited. I'm just checking out some technical things in here. Okay, going down, further down, 157, we are approaching 5,000. So everything looking bearish. We have taken a good trade, and expiry days, another expiry, again profits, things looking good. Now this is time for updating our SL. We will just keep trailing our stop loss, and our stop loss will now be upgraded to another, what is it at? Is that 158? Let's go 145 and the price be 144.5. So this is updated stop loss. So 25,400 put Let me go all 25,400 10 July put option, and yes, this is what it is. Now 10th July 25,400 17 July put option. Yes, that's what it is at. Stop loss is updated to 100 and modified to 144, right? Yeah, 144. Why is it not updated here? Both came out to be this one. Nifty going to the 370s, 360s. Oh, why is there so much of a breakdown here? There is no need. Chalo. Okay, the option is at 153. Pradeep, could you catch anything here in this fold? Because I think throughout the day it is going to be a fold. Right now itself I am telling, I think throughout the day there is going to be a fold. Because the fall is gradual. The sellers are showing strength. The selling candles are of some considerable size, not huge but considerable size, and all the buying candles are of low size too. So I think the trend could continue. 145, I will just change it. Let me be slightly conservative, slightly more greedy. 142.5 and 143, let's say. Let me lose another 300 rupee, let's say, but let me take a more of a chance to get a huge profit. Okay, let me just check it. Let me just see if that is possible. It's at 150 now. Our SL is at 143. This is Nifty 50, and I will save this as 10 July. Let me take more of a chance. It's at 147, 140. Is it going to be hit? Is it gonna hit? Don't hit, don't hit, just go up, go up. 15 points, good, good. Pullback ആണ് സഹിക്കാൻ പറ്റാത്ത. ഹർഷ ഇതൊന്ന് നോക്കുക. The entire day നമുക്ക് ജസ്റ്റ് ക്വിക്ലി ഒന്ന് അനലൈസ് ചെയ്ത് നോക്കാം. 9:35 അതുവരെ ഒരു ഫോൾ ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു, ആൻഡ് there was a pullback of 430 to 460, somewhere in 25 points. Okay, again ഒരു pull down ഉണ്ടായി 400 to 430 points, almost 25 to 30 points. Again ഒരു pullback ഉണ്ട്. There ഇവിടെ വന്നു it is 375 to 400, again 25 points. ഇവിടെ താഴെ വന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്, and if 400 is broken to the upside, then we don't have to wait much. And I don't know if 143 is that exact point. It will be like 140. Maybe my stop loss will be hit and later it can go up, but I'll make sure that I have booked sufficient profits. Not sufficient, but at least some profits. ഇപ്പൊ എത്രയാണ് പ്രോഫിറ്റ്? 37. Okay, but whatever happens, I'll book profits. 6, another 8. Yeah, because this is gradual, this trend could go on till the end of the day too. It is possible. 145 ആയിരുന്നു നമ്മൾ ആദ്യം വെച്ചിരുന്ന സ്റ്റോപ്പ് ലോസ്. 145 വെച്ചിരുന്നെങ്കിൽ I think it is close to getting hit. 145 not hit yet, but 145 would have been very close. Now also we are close, very close, but that could have been closest. 46.5. I just took a small extra risk to get more reward. 145 to 143. I just modified my stop loss. 145 hit ആയിട്ട് ഉടനെ ഇനി തിരിച്ചു പോകണ്ടെന്ന് കരുതിയിട്ട് I think it is very tight, very tight. 143 ചിലപ്പോൾ SL ഹിറ്റ് ആവും. SL ഹിറ്റ് ആയാൽ 2500 പ്രോഫിറ്റ്. Okay. 25, not very huge, but okay, okay-ish profit. What is it? 360 break here. And it's 11:30. We don't do streams beyond generally 12 o'clock and all. So we'll possibly stop by that time. India VIX is at 12. So VIX has also gone up by 1%. It was 0.6% down. VIX has gone up by 1% now. Yes. Good that we gave it some time, some break. Now it is working. It seems it is working. Good, good, good. Chalo. 25,370. The channel in which the June session played out was 24,500 to 25,200, right? So it could possibly it can even go to the top of the channel. It can even go to the top of the channel, and in that case 25,200 will mean this goes to 250 to 280 ranges. Not today. Most probably not today. But nothing is beyond reach, right? Nifty forming a doji or a spinning top. The option also forming a kind of a spinning top. I'll be happy to have 170 to 175. If it can come to the 170 to 180 ranges, I will book one lot, and the rest I can trail. I think that will be my strategy. In the meanwhile, Infi has fallen 1%. Trent again down 0.2%. BSC down again. BSC just keeps falling 1.2%. All the defense stocks falling. Defense sector is taking a hit. Yes, Nifty seems to be coming down again. Go down to 350s. Waiting the 350s. And and these are our positions for today. All right. Feeling sleepy, slightly sleepy. Nifty just keeps falling, and we will see what we can achieve from this. If I short the 600, let us say if I can short the 650 and 850 course. Point eight like 750. Nifty is closing in on our stop loss or SL, which is 143. Nifty is taking a small pause here also. Let Nifty go down to the 350 levels. That's what I want. $149. Let's also look at our portfolio. Has it gone down further or two dojis? Yes. Oh, portfolio is down by 0.5%. Portfolio very close to Nifty. Nifty 0.4, portfolio 0.5. IRADS stays strong, nothing else. So I'll take a quick break of 10 minutes. I'll be back. Anyway, we have our SL set. Oh, okay. So if 145 was our stop loss set, it was hit by now. 145 is hit. I think 143 is also going to be hit now. Our updated SL is going to get hit is what I believe. Now if it does not hit my stop loss and if it goes up, I'll be more than happy. Changing from 145 to 143, I'll be more than happy. But I'll have to wait till the end of this candle to have some hope. I'll take a quick break of 10 minutes. I'll be back. We'll be back by when? Back by taking a break. Will be back by 11:55. So everyone, those who are in the trade, stay tuned. I'll be back in another few minutes time. Thanks for being with us. Keep encouraging us. Keep trading well. Keep trading sensibly, and we'll be back. Yes, we are back. We are back. Ah, yeah. So I just saw that my SL was hit. ഇപ്പൊ hit ആയേ ഉള്ളൂ അല്ലേ SL hit ആയിട്ട് മുകളിലേക്ക് വന്നു. And that is സ്വാഭാവികം. Quite expected. So these are our positions today. എത്രയാണ് position? Position 8K. Okay. So we will finish at 8.75K today if things stay as they are. 143 was the SL. So 143 exit high. Yes, we are back. So no need of this message. Nifty is trading slightly bearish, but not very bearish now. As of 9:15, it is selling again. Good selling, good selling. Yes. Just came down to hit our SL. Made a low of 141. Our SL was 143. It hit our stop loss. And how much did we make? We made a profit of around only 2,500, 2,400 in that. Now at 148. But we are not entering anything now. No more positions today. Just that my stop loss is hit, and now I don't think I will want to continue in the stream for long. I'll just quickly wind up soon. ഇനി ഒരുപാട് നേരം വേണ്ട. Already had some profits and okay. So those who are holding, just keep holding. If you are holding it, please hold it. My SL was hit, but still I think there are enough profits to be made in this. It just came to hit my stop loss. It is going up. There could be further movement. $151 now. Yes, Nifty going down further, going down to the 365 now. Okay, we just missed out on something. Came to hit our stop loss, then immediately went up. But I don't know how far it is going because it is not with great strength that the candles are coming down. Yeah, this is sort of a confusing period. So that is our trade for today. We made what is it? What could be our average? Our average could somewhere be 134 to 146 somewhere. So less than 10 percentage. We couldn't get a very good cash today, but still an average one. Nonetheless, an average one. No issues there. So those who are holding, you can consider holding this one. Maybe to 350s. What's at 350? At 350, no significant activity, but everything bearish. Everything is bearish. At 350, you can get something. So 350 is a real possibility. This is again confusing period forming sort of a doji. It could be consolidation here. 400, there is resistance, yes. And what can we see from 400 is that yes, 400 is a resistance. It's 5.4 and 2.8. So moderate resistance at 400. Moderate support at 350 to 350. Um, I can't see much of a movement here. I don't think the market is going to move considerably over the next some minutes or hours. I don't know. If at all there is a possibility of a movement, it could be downside. If there is a movement to happen, it could be to the downside. Nifty might hit the 25 300s too. It is a possible. It is possible. It's a possibility. And any upward trend, I can't see that happening until and unless we cross 25 600 less tens. So again, so that's it for today's trade. People, thank you so much for joining in. We have taken a trade which came out to be a moderate trade. We didn't make much profits, but again, moderate profits. Analysis was right, so things looking good. We will see. And I think this month's P&L, it's only somewhere around 10 to 15K, not much. Yesterday I had suffered a loss, but today we have almost made up for it. देखते how the month will go, and hopefully we'll get good trades, and we will be back soon. When? Tomorrow. Today Thursday, so tomorrow is the last week of the day. We will come back, hopefully have a good session tomorrow. So to everyone joined in, thank you so much. Goodbye, take care, have a healthy life and trade wisely.